Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today, I am going to show you how to make one of my favorite summer meals, Summer Succotash. This is definitely a taste of summer with corn and zucchini and peppers from the garden. It's so good. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make this delicious summer meal. First, we'll need to get all of our ingredients ready. And for the summer succotash ingredients, you will need a handful of basil, 1 zucchini, 3 cloves of garlic, half an onion, 1 red pepper, and 5 ears of corn. And make sure you find a helper. Peeling corn can be a big job. After you have shucked your corn, you will want to remove the kernels with a knife. The kernels will be used in our summer succotash, and the cobs, we will actually be using those to make cornstalk. If you've never tried cornstalk, it is amazing. It is actually what makes this dish taste amazing. It gives it that sweet flavor, the sweet corn flavor. You'll have to taste it. It's hard to explain. You'll want to cut your cobs in half and place them in a stock pot or a pan, something to hold liquid. So continue this process with all 5 cobs. Okay guys, the hard part is over. Your corn has been prepped and we're ready to get our cornstalk going. If you've ever made stocks before, you know you need stuff to flavor it. So in this cornstalk, we will be using some tomatoes from the garden, some garlic, some onions, and some green peppers, and we even had some green onions, so we threw some of those in. Whatever you have, really. But the most important part is the corn cobs. And then fill it up. The less liquid, the best. So just fill it up until most of your ingredients are covered. And for a little kick, we're gonna add a serrano. And we also added some parsley. And that's it. Just cook it on low with the lid on. And this will cook as you prep your summer succotash. Now that your cornstalk is bubbling away and your corn is prepped, you'll need to prep your other ingredients. You'll want to dice your peppers and onions and garlic and chop your basil and get everything ready on a prep plate. Just like that. And there you go. Our ingredients are ready. Now we can start cooking. First, you'll want to add some olive oil to your saute pan and have it on medium to high heat. You can add in your onions, peppers, and garlic. And continue to saute your vegetables for a couple minutes. And make sure to season it with salt and pepper. And when you start to see some color, you can start adding in the next ingredients. You'll want to add in your corn and your zucchini. And make sure to season it with a little bit more salt and pepper. And continue to saute this on medium to high heat. And as this cooks, you will need to add in some liquid. And that liquid is going to be the cornstarch. So you will want to drizzle in some of that yummy cornstarch. Just enough to loosen this up. And then sprinkle in some chopped basil. And then continue to let this simmer on medium to low heat. And you'll notice some of the liquid will cook off, but it will leave an amazing flavor. Just wait until you taste this Summer Succotash. I think someone likes this meal, and I think you will too. This is one of my favorite meals to make in the summertime. You can use vegetables from the garden, the zucchini, peppers, onions, basil, and of course, corn. There's always an overabundance of corn, and it's so cheap to buy. Or you can try growing it yourself. But this is definitely one of my favorites, and I'm glad that I was able to share it with you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, happy cooking.